Every year, this factory processes an impressive 10 tons of fresh red cherries. These cherries arrive straight from the orchard, bursting with natural sweetness and color. The journey from fruit to jam is a fascinating transformation. Watch closely as the cherries enter the washing station. They cascade gently through jets of water, removing dirt and tiny debris. This step is crucial to ensure the final product is clean and safe to eat. The process is both efficient and gentle, preserving the cherry's delicate skin. The cherries arrive in large bulk bags, a testament to the scale of this operation. Inspectors quickly check the fruit for quality, removing any imperfect or damaged cherries. Only the best make it to the next stage, ensuring a premium jam. Here's a close-up view of the cherries. Notice their glossy, deep red skin and firm texture. This visual inspection helps maintain consistency. The cherries are now ready for processing, their journey just beginning. The cherries tumble into a large washing machine. This machine uses a combination of water sprays and gentle agitation to remove any remaining impurities. It's a surprisingly sophisticated process designed to protect the fruit while ensuring cleanliness. After washing, the cherries are carefully pitted. Removing the stones is essential for a smooth jam texture. The pitted cherries, still vibrant and juicy, are then prepped for crushing. Now comes the crushing stage. The cherries are crushed into a coarse pulp, breaking down the fruit while preserving some texture. This pulp forms the base of the jam, capturing the essence of fresh cherries. The cherry pulp is then blended with sugar and pectin. Sugar adds sweetness, while pectin is a natural gelling agent that helps the jam set. This mixture is thoroughly combined to ensure even distribution of ingredients. The mixture is heated carefully. This heating activates the pectin, causing the jam to thicken. Temperature control is critical here to avoid burning or overcooking. This step transforms the pulp into the familiar jam consistency. Once thickened, the jam is cooled down gradually. Cooling allows the jam to set properly before packaging. This stage also preserves the flavor and color, keeping the jam fresh and appetizing. Now, the jam is ready to be jarred. Automated machines fill each jar precisely, ensuring consistent portions. This step is a fine balance between speed and accuracy, crucial for maintaining quality. Each jar is sealed tightly after filling. The airtight seal locks in freshness and prevents contamination. Sealing also extends the shelf life, allowing the jam to reach consumers in perfect condition. The sealed jars are then labeled. Labels provide essential information like ingredients and expiration dates. They also add visual appeal, making the product ready for retail shelves. Finally, the labeled jars are packed into sturdy boxes. These boxes are stacked carefully and transported to cold storage. Cold storage preserves the jam's quality until it's shipped out to stores and customers. And just like that, the production line keeps moving. The next batch of red